Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Let's solve this interesting functional equation question. F of x plus 1 over x equals x raised to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by x raised to the power of 5. So the x here is a member of real number. So what we are interested to find is f of 5. You can pause this video and give it a try. So there are two methods to solve this. Let's see the first one. Considering the solution for the first method, suppose I look for a particular pattern. Suppose I let an equals x raised to the power n plus 1 divided by x raised to the power of n. If n equals to 1, so we are going to have a1 equals x plus 1 divided by x. So based on substitutions, you can firstly let x plus 1 over x equals to 5. So for a1, this equals x plus 1 over x, and everything here equals 5. And also, based on this formula, if n equals to 0, we are going to have a naught equals x raised to the power 0 plus 1 divided by x raised to the power 0, and everything here equals 1. So we have gotten two things. We have gotten a naught, which is equals 1, and we have gotten a1 equals 5. So here we are going to a5. So what will be a5? So this is how we are going to get a5, by having a general formula. So let's assume that if I multiply x raised to the power of n minus 1 plus 1 divided by x raised to the power n minus 1 with x plus 1 divided by x. So multiplying this together, we are going to have x raised to the power n minus 1 multiplied by x. So this gives us x raised to the power n, then plus x raised to the power n minus 1 multiplied by 1 divided by x. So this gives us x raised to the power n minus 2. Then plus 1 over x raised to the power n minus 1 multiplied by x. So this gives us x raised to the power of minus x raised to the power minus open brackets. We have n minus 2, then plus also 1 over x raised to the power n minus 1 with 1 over x. So this gives us x raised to the power of minus n. And knowing all this, so we are going to group this together. So for this, x raised to the power n, we add to x raised to the power minus n. So this is x raised to the power n plus 1 over x raised to the power n, and also plus this, which is x raised to the power n minus 2. We also add to x raised to the power n minus 2. And the whole result for this is given since we multiply this and this together, and it gives us this. So we can just call x raised to the power n minus 1 plus 1 over x raised to the power n minus 1, since the power is n minus 1. And we are representing this one with a. So x plus 1 over x is given as a1. And why this x raised to the power n minus 1 plus 1 over x raised to the power n minus 1 will be a subscript n minus 1. So by combining this together, we then have a1 multiplied by an minus 1 equals, the result we got is an plus an minus 2. Let's make an the subject of the formula. We have an equals a1 an minus 1, then minus an minus 2. but we know a1, which is 5. Let's replace it. An equals 5 an minus 1 minus an minus 2. So let this one be the general formula. So we have gotten a0 and a1. Let's try to look for a2. If n equals to 2, we have a2 equals 5a1 minus a0. And let's substitute. So a2 equals 5 into bracket of 5 minus 2. And this equals 23. For n equals to 3, we are going to have a3 equals 5a2 minus a1. So given a2 to be 23, we have a3 equals 5 into bracket of 23 minus a1, that is 5. So from this, we are going to have 5 multiplied by 23 minus 5, and a3 equals 110. And if n equals to 4, we have a4 equals 5a3 minus a2. So substituting, we have a4 equals 5 into bracket of 110 minus 23, and the result of this a4, it gives us 527. For n equals to 5, we are going to have a5 equals 5a4 minus a3. And here is a5 equals 5 into bracket of a4 is given as 527 minus a3, which is 110. a5 equals 5 multiplied by 527 minus 110. So this gives us 2525. So this is the value of a5. And don't forget that the a5 here is like s raised to power 5 plus 1 over s raised to power 5. So this is 2525. Then let's try to solve this using the second method. So considering the second method, we have to look at the expansions. For s raised to power 5 plus 1 over s raised to power 5. So this is given as x plus 1 over x all raised to power 5 minus 5 into bracket of x plus 1 over x. Then we have plus 5 into bracket of x plus 1 over x. So this one will be raised to power of 3. And if we try to substitute, for x plus 1 over x is given as 5. We have 5 raised to power 5 minus 5 into bracket of 5 raised to power 3 plus 5 into bracket of 5. So by multiplying all these together, so we are going to have f of 5, which equals 5 raised to power 5 minus all this, we get 2525. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.